Feel the brilliant heat of an erupting lava flow and listen to the sharp sound of a tornado. Not just an adventure, but a journey into the heart of nature filled with mystery and power. Every step you take will open doors to wonders that only Earth can hide. Are you ready to face the fury of nature and discover the beauty hidden behind every natural phenomenon? Although we may feel small before the greatness of nature, a deep connection with it makes us stronger and greater than ever. The leaves gently swayed, shaking in the cold wind. The flood suddenly rose, coming like a shock from nature. The ice melts, falling from above like fragments into the ocean. The rain fell, splashing water on the plain, covering it with a hazy layer. The flood of anger suddenly rose, sweeping away everything in its path. The wind roared, blowing everything in its path with furious force. In the dark night, lightning flashed brightly, tearing apart the dark night. The tornado rolled violently, covering the entire vast sky like a swirling blanket. Torrential showers in the dark night, creating a giant curtain of water. The rain covered the night sky with white, turning it into a hazy, mysterious layer. The rushing flood made people rush to flee before its power. The water flows strongly, like a majestic waterfall, rushing down. The strong water swept away everything and caused the house to collapse in the flood. The wall suddenly collapsed, collapsing in a loud crash. Lightning suddenly flashed, striking with unpredictable power. Magma boiled, pouring out from the crater like an exploding lava flow. The volcano erupted, causing the water to boil and burst into hot bubbles. In the dark night, the volcano burned like a sparkling point of light in the sky. The flood flows are fast-flowing, making travel extremely difficult and dangerous. The water flowed rapidly as if it wanted to drown the cow in its power. The rows of trees suddenly collapsed, as if they no longer had the strength to fight. The ice avalanche covered everything in a thick blanket of snow. White waves suddenly rose, constantly attacking the buildings. Houses, cars, and trees were all drifted away, swept away by the current. The storm came, causing heaven and earth to spin in chaos. After the strong wind, the trees in the garden collapsed, leaving bare stumps. The sky suddenly flashed with lightning. The bright lightning seemed to tear apart the night. The rain fell, forming sparkling drops of water on the window. The murky water flowed rapidly and violently like an uncontrollable rage. The storm raged, rain fell thickly, creating a blinding white curtain. Water flows carry waste, making pollution more serious. The forest burned under the white snow, creating a strange scene. Thick smoke covered the area, causing visibility to be reduced. After the fire, everything remained only bare, dry, and desolate ruins. Everything became ruined, a scene of devastation with no trace of life left. White waves rolled onto the mainland, like a hurricane at sea. The white, misty snowstorm covered the entire space. The snow fell silently, covering the whole space like an icy blanket. The soaring temperature causes the water surface to create a hazy layer. Streams of bright red lava, burning fiercely, poured out from the volcano's crater. Lightning flashed, making a roaring sound like the roar of the sky. Snow covered the road, making traveling by car difficult and slippery. Heavy rain causes water levels to rise, causing serious flooding. The strong tornado blew everything away, creating a blanket of dust that reduced visibility. Dense, dark clouds poured in, covering the sky like a mysterious curtain. Thunder continuously flashed like rays of light streaking across the night sky. It screamed and knocked down everything in its path in extreme anger. The fire burned fiercely, emitting dark smoke and a burning smell. Thick black smoke rose, covering the space in a mist. The forest glows in the dark night like brilliant stars. The water is brown and murky, flowing fast as if it wants to wash away everything in its path. These images may have touched your heart, reminding us of the amazing beauty of the blue planet we share. We have the right and responsibility to live in a clean and beautiful environment. Join the Protect Nature movement to together protect and preserve nature for future generations. Every action you take, no matter how small, makes a big difference. Please share this video to spread love for nature and build a strong community, joining hands to protect our planet. Thank you for joining us in our efforts to protect the environment and preserve the beauty of the world we love.